My name is Tugba. I started working at Materialise in 2017 as a process engineer in laser sintering technology, and especially eyewear products. And after that, our eyewear sales team was established in 2019 summer. And I took the role of account manager. I wanted to change my career in Materialise actually because I love to be in Materialise. I believe Materialise is really a family. And it helped me already to push myself, push my boundaries by providing really challenging tasks to me. And also, at the same time, I also feel the support from Materialise family. So that's why when I have the feeling, okay, it's a good time to change my career path, I really wanted to stay in Materialise and find a better opportunity to show my value in Materialise. And then I informed my people manager and HR partner, and we talked a lot about the consequences and about the interviews and so on. I followed the formal application procedure as well. The advantages of to move internally, I think you're still in the same family. So you do not carry the pressure a lot for the new challenge. And you know your team, they know you already, they know your potential, and they are ready to support you. And it is making you feel comfortable. I really think Materialise culture or company culture is really promoting our colleagues to have this, live this experience, the internal mobility. I do believe that. We have enough tools to prove that as well. Our web pages or our newsletters, weekly letters and then the monthly letters, they are really trying to show these opportunities to all the colleagues in a fair way. It is nothing hidden in Materialise. I could say it's really transparent. What is happening, it's happening, and you are there.